Hello friends, this video on surface area and volumes part 14 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. The radius of a spherical balloon increased from 7 cm to 14 cm as the air has been pumped into it. The spherical balloon, the radius has increased from 7 cm to 14 cm. Find the ratio of surface area of the two balloons. The surface area we know is 4 pi r square. Surface area of, let's suppose it is r1, r2. Surface area of balloon 1 will be what? 4 pi r1 square. Surface area of balloon 2 is what? 4 pi r2 square. So ratio if you want to find, surface area of balloon 1 by surface area of balloon 2 is what? 4 pi r1 square, 4 pi r2 square, pi cancel, that is r1 square by r2 square. So what is the value of r1? 7 centimeter by 14 centimeter square, that is nothing but 1 by 2 square, that is nothing but 1 by 4. The surface area, or the ratio of the surface area in this case will be 1 by 4. A hemispherical ball is made up of brass with the inner diameter of 10.5 centimeter. This is 10.5 centimeter by 2. It is diameter, so I have taken it as radius, that is 10.5 centimeter by 2. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of 16 rupees per 100 centimeter square. So all the units are in centimeters, nothing to worry. It is hemispherical, so we have to find surface area, and that is nothing but 2 pi r square. Put the value into 10.5 by 2 square, and it will be centimeter square. You solve it, you get the value as 173.25 centimeter square. This is the surface area of the inner hemispherical ball. We have to find the cost of plating it. So 100 centimeter square plating cost is 16. So 173.25 centimeter square plating cost will be how much? 16 by 100 into 173.25, and that will be rupees. You solve it, you get 27.72 rupees. Pretty easy. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of Earth. So our moon is nothing but 1/4 of our Earth, where Rm is the diameter of moon and Re is the diameter of Earth. We have to find the ratio of that surface area. So surface area of moon is what? 4 pi Rm square. Surface area of Earth is what? 4 pi Re square. So let's divide. Divide these two, what you get is, this gets cancelled, Rm by Re square. So what is, or in this I can say Re is nothing but 4Rm. Right? So I'll just replace Re with 4Rm square. Gets cancelled. So 1/4 square, that is 1/16. So the ratio of their surface area is 1/16. Pretty easy. The ratio of the radius is 1/4. So the ratio of surface area has to be 1/16 because the surface area is directly proportional to radius squared. So that is the answer. So in this question, a hemispherical ball is made of a steel of some thickness 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the ball is given. We have to find the outer curved surface area. Right? So if you see, inner radius is given, that is 5, and there is some thickness 0.25. We have to find the outer curved surface area. So for that, we have to find outer radius first. and let this be RO. That will be R inner plus thickness, and that is nothing but 5 plus 0.25, and that is nothing but 5.25 centimeters. So I have got the outer radius. Once we have got the outer radius, I can easily find the surface area. Right? You find the outer surface area. That is nothing but 2 pi r square for hemisphere. Put the values. 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is what? 5.25, and that is square. So you solve this, you get 173.25 centimeter square, and that is the answer. Let's take one last question from surface area of hemisphere and sphere. The right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. So the right circular cylinder that just encloses this sphere of radius r. We have to find the surface area of the sphere. Surface area of the sphere is what? 4 pi r square. Correct? And that is the answer, because the radius r is given. One part is done. Second part, curved surface area of the cylinders. For cylinder also, if you see, the radius will be r, but height will be r. What? Height will be 2r. Why? So if you see, this length is r and this length is also r. So if we add r plus r, the height will be 2r, because it just encloses. So curved SA of cylinder is what? 2 pi RH, put the values. 2 pi r into h is nothing but 2r. You solve this, you get 4 pi r square. So the curved surface area of the cylinder is also 4 pi r square. Ratio of areas obtained in 1 and 2, pretty easy. So ratio is nothing but the first value what we got 4 pi r square, second value what we got 4 pi r square, and that is 1 by 1. The ratio is 1 by 1. The trick here was the height of the cylinder was not given. You have to understand that the height of the cylinder will be 2r, because the cylinder just encloses the sphere. Thank you. Visit our website examfear.com to watch more and more quality education videos. You can also attempt free online tests that are there in our website. You can also get access to tons of free study materials, and you can also find free tutors and mentors in this website. Thanks a lot for watching.